In this video, I'm going to show you how to correct your date of birth on your national identity number. National identity number is very important for all Nigerian citizens. Whether you're seeking for a job or you want to write any kind of examination, you would need a national identity number. You want to write WAEC, you want to write JAM, or you want to go for NYC, it is required. So what I'm going to show you is how to modify your data on the National Identity Management Commission website using your smartphone. So I want you to follow the steps I'm going to show you. The first thing I want you to know is for you to confirm if your national identity number has been validated. National identity number validation is the process of verifying the accuracy and completeness of the national identity number information provided by an individual. So it involves checking the national identity number against the database of the National Identity Management Commission to confirm its validity. You might enroll for national identity number without confirming its validity. To verify your information on the National Identity Management Commission, you're going to navigate to your Google. Just type passport.immigration.gov.ng. You click on enter. Now once it opens, you'll see the home page of Nigeria Immigration Portal. So you scroll down to apply for fresh passport. Click on it. Now when you click on it, you'll be required to input your national identity number. So just type your 11-digit number correctly. Then you enter your date of birth. When you enter your date of birth, let it be the exact date of birth that is on your NIN. Then you click on those numbers, you enter it, click on submit. When you click on submit, you wait for it to load. You're going to see all your information. When you scroll down, you see all your information is there. Your name will be there, your date of birth, your state of origin, your marital status, all there. Now when you're able to verify it, you'll be assured that your NIN has been validated. But if your NIN has not been validated, it will show an error. That's the easiest way you can verify your national identity number using the Nigeria Immigration Portal. For you to be able to correct your date of birth on the National Identity Management Commission website, you're going to look at two categories. Those that were born before 1992. What they need to provide is a digitalized NPC attestation certificate. Now those that were born after 1992, what they need is a digitalized NPC birth certificate. For you to be able to obtain this, you will need to navigate to the National Population Commission website and pay 3,000 naira to obtain that certificate. You would have to provide a court affidavit with the exact date of birth you want to correct. What you're going to do next, just go to Google, type nationalpopulation.gov.ng and you click on the enter button. Now once you click on the enter, it's going to take you to an interface like this. This is the home page. Just look for where you have services. Click on the services. You see birth attestation. Click on it. Wait for it to open. Once the page has opened like this, what you need to do is for you to scroll down. You go to where you have privacy information requirements. Just click on it. You have to scroll down again. Just scroll down a little bit. You're going to see those icons that are written in green. Click on one of them. They are all policies. You have to agree to all the policies. When you click on it, you just have to scroll down and click on I have agreed, I have read and agreed, I have read and agreed, all of them, until all those icons are double ticked. You can see the first one is double ticked. So once all of them are double ticked, you'll be able to click on I have read the document and I thereby give my consent. Click on it to enter the next. After you've done that, you'll see that the icons now will turn to green because you've actually agreed to all their policies. So what you need to do now is for you to click on attestation. Input your email address and click on proceed. When you click on proceed, they're going to send you a one-time password. So go to your mailbox, copy the OTP and insert it to the box. After that, they verify your email address before you now click on proceed to make payment. Now this is your payment page. You have different options of making payment. It's either you pay with your card, transfer, bank, USSD, or even with your OPay account. So any of the options you choose. So I'm going to be using OPay. So what I will need to do is just to click on authenticate. After you've made payments, they'll take you back to the page like this, and this is your payment reference number. So you just click on the copy icon, just click on copy, then you click on proceed and wait for it to load. What you need to do now is for you to provide your national identity number for verification. So you just enter your 11-digit number here, and then you click on verify. Now your face will be matched with the face that is in your NIN. So just click on match face. When you click on it, this is the guideline on how to capture your face. Make sure that your face is being stationed at a particular position. Let your face be at the center of the camera. So you click on next. Once the page opens like this, it means that your face ID has been matched with the face you used to enroll for your national identity number. So now look at all the information here. Your state of origin, your date, and the rest, all your information is already there. So what you need to do now is for you to go to your date of birth, because you want to actually apply for date of birth correction. So quickly go there, input the correct date of birth. You click on next. You need to verify your email address. Just input your correct email address, and OTP will send to your email. Then you go there, copy the OTP, input it now, and click on verify before you now click on next. Once you click on next, what you need to do, every of your information, just make sure you fill all of them, then upload your court affidavit. Once you upload it, you click on next. You also have to fill your parents' information, your father's details, your mother's details. Click on all the information, input them correctly, then you click on next. This is a preview of the information you entered on the National Population Commission website. So all you have to do is for you to go through it, carefully go through it, and check for errors. So once you're very sure that you've gone through your information, they're quite okay, you now click on hereby certify that all the information provided here is true and accurate. Then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, that is all. Now this is the notification that the application has been successfully submitted. So all you have to do now is to click on close. After that, they're going to send you a mail. So just go to your mailbox. You'll see a mail directly from ECRVS telling you that your certificate request has been successfully submitted and it is currently being processed. So you don't need to wait for long. What you have to do now is for you to go back to that NPC website. Once you go back to that NPC website, go to the page where we were trying to make payments. Now what you need to do is for you to click on check status. The page will open like this. You need to provide your payment reference number. So the payment reference number was sent to you the moment you made that payment for your certificate. So just go back to your mailbox, copy that reference number, input it here, and you click on check status. After that has been done, you can see there is an icon there. It's showing approved, and there is another icon where you have download certificate, meaning that your certificate has been approved. They did not send it to your mail, it is already here. So all you need to do is for you to click on download. Click on the download certificate. Mind you, it is only once you can download it, so you be very, very careful and make sure you know where the download is being stored on your device. So click on download and it will be saved directly into your device. After you've been able to obtain your certificate from the National Population Commission website, you have just one step left for you to be able to modify your data on the National Identification Management Commission website. Now for you to be able to do that, you have to go to your Google. Just type self-service modification.nimc.gov.ng. Then you click on enter and wait for it to open. You don't have to click on login, you click on register because you don't have an account yet. What you need to do now is for you to input your last name, your first name, your middle name, and your phone number. Then you click on next. Once a notification comes up like this, it's telling you that they need to capture your face to be able to validate if you are the person that is trying to log in to access your national identification management number. Okay, because all your information is already on their database, so they need to verify your face. You need to click on continue. Enter your email address. When you enter your email address, click on validate email. They will send an OTP to your mail. You copy it and you input it in the box there. Verify it before you now click on the password you want to create. Enter your password. You now click on agree before you sign up for it. After your account has been successfully created, what you need to do is for you to log in. So you just enter your email address and the password, and then you log into your account. Once you log into your account, this is how the page looks like. You see your picture there, your profile picture is already there, and your name. Now these are all the modifications: change of name, change of address, change of phone number, and change of date of birth. You can see the prices, they are quite different, but the price that is higher is the change of date of birth. So you need to click on that particular one, then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, the page that will open is for you to make payments, and you know how to navigate through that. Input your card details, make payments. You're going to make payment of 16,340 naira before you can now proceed to the next page. Now the final step you're going to see is that you'll be asked to provide your certificate number. Your certificate number is on the NPC certificate that you actually obtained from National Population Commission website. So you just go there, you copy out the number there. It starts with an alphabet and ends with an alphabet. So copy out that number. You go to the NIMC website, input that number, and then your date of birth will be pre-filled by their own self, by that same portal. You don't have to fill the date of birth that you want to modify. It is being pre-filled from that certificate that you obtained. So you just have to input that, then you upload the NPC certificate and you submit it. After you've submitted it, a notification will be sent to your mailbox that in few days time it will be approved. So after 3 days it is going to be approved. It doesn't take long. So after that, you need to go to your dashboard and download a copy of your NIN slip. So that is how to apply for date of birth correction on the NIMC website. It is very, very simple. You don't need to go and pay money to anyone. You can do it with your smartphone, you can do it with your laptop. It is very simple. So if you have questions, if you have any difficulty, any challenge you're encountering while going through all these steps I gave you based on this tutorial, you can drop on the comment section and I will also attend to all your questions.